What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all say it's an old gloomy day. Let me see, man. Let me get y'all. I can't get it right. But anyway, y'all don't have to work right there. But y'all see it's an old gloomy day outside, man. It's like I said, it really ain't been nothing to do. The sun, when the sun don't be out, boy, you don't be wanting to do nothing. But today, I figured, why not, man? I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all reveals. It's not a complete reveal, but it's a little something. But man, I'm gonna take brown coat out, make about 2 or 3 hits with the Dragy on the radials. I know it's gonna have a little wheel spin. And I'm gonna finally show y'all the time, man. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of time it put down in the road on the radials. Now, like I said, this is a little something. I ain't giving y'all the full ET, cause what y'all gonna see ain't what it run, obviously. Cause you know, you got wheel spin, them nittos, they about gone. They really ain't woofing there. And the truck do pretty good at the track on motor for a true street truck. So, you know, that's what we gonna do. I'm finna crank old brown coat up, man. We're gonna run and do that. Say it just gloomy and stuff, man. I'm gonna try to do it before it rain, cause it looking like it might rain. Don't supposed to. But in case it do, we'll be done had it done. We're gonna do the 3 runs, 2 or 3. I might give y'all 3. I always give y'all 2, so I might give y'all 3. We probably get 3 hits today, cause I want to see what I can get this thing to do too. But I'm gonna make the hits and drive, cause all the times I thought about it, I said I never made no hit and drive on the Dragy, and I think it'll do better, cause it'll be more control. It'll shift out at a lower RPM. You're not making full power, so y'all got to keep all that into consideration. But I'm gonna get the GoPro set up, and I probably won't mount my phone up. I probably just use the GoPro view. Yeah, we probably do the GoPro view. And then I'm gonna show y'all the ticket. I put the screenshot up of the Dragy so you can see the 60-foot, mile per hour, all that stuff. Cause usually I be putting my phone up there, but in that truck. But the GoPro view in the truck, I like putting it in the back and shooting it out forward. But then I don't want to have the phone obstructing that view. So we're going to leave the phone mount out. We show the Dragy screen and, you know, the little time and all that. But I'm going to show y'all the ticket at the end of each 3 runs. So to do that, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Check it in, man. If we go ahead and make a hit and drive, see if we can get a good time out. Back on in a minute. Let's shake now. Alright, y'all, checking back in, man. So we got brown coat put up. Y'all see it, man, I got done right in time, cause man, it drizzling now. I mean, it ain't pouring down rain, but it drizzling. This and that, y'all. Y'all probably like, man, Jay done got a Honda now. That Cuzzo car, man, he done had my truck. He been in my truck the last 2 days, handling some business. But y'all be seeing everything, boy. Y'all just gonna be noticing everything. What a red S10, man. It's still around too. And that's my father-in-law truck. I guess it be new people be asking about that, man. Who red S10? They ask me on Instagram. I'm like, yeah, they don't watch. That's all I be saying. I'm like, they don't watch. People saying, hey, look, I meet people. People will come up to you. They be like, Jay, well, I watch all your videos. I'm like, what one they watch? So I'm like, y'all watching the race video or the vlog channel? They'll say something pertaining to the vlog channel, like they watch the vlog channel. But then they'll ask me a question, let me know, like, nah, you don't watch every day. I just laugh in my head all the time, cause I get that a lot. Let me go in here, man, cause it started to get wet. Cut the light on. I get that a lot, man. I have people, man, I watch you all the time, Jay. I watch every, they say I watch every video. And you know, I don't doubt nobody, but when you say something to let me know, I just chuckle about it. I don't say nothing. I just keep it moving. I be like, well, they watch something cause they know something, so I appreciate them. But yeah, man. Let me see. But I was gonna show y'all the ticket right after the runs, but I had to make y'all wait. I gotta make y'all wait, man. So I'm gonna show the tickets now. So right here. This the ticket I'm finna put. The ticket I'm finna put up now gonna be the ticket from the first run or whatever. So let me look at my phone. Let me look at my phone call. I'm gonna get the voiceover. I'm gonna give y'all the voiceover, man. So I gotta make sure I show y'all the right thing. So hold on, this ain't it. This ain't it. Where one? I'm missing one. Oh, here it is. Okay. So yeah, now I got everything. So now I'm finna put up the ticket from the first run. So y'all see, man, the ticket from the first run, 227 60 foot, and end up going to 833 to the 8th mile at 91 miles per hour, which they were pretty good. They were pretty good, man. I mean, to be on the radio, street radios that they really not worth enough, and it's in drive. That was in drive like a straight drive. Just pedal it, hold on, take off. That's a good number, man, especially in the road. It good running the 8 in the 8th mile anyway. So that was the first pass. So now I'm finna put up the ticket from the second pass, so y'all can see that. So here go the ticket from the second pass, and y'all see we end up going 862. So it went 862 to the 8th. And like I said, same thing in drive, man. Drive, all three passes in drive. Like I said, that's a good pass. Then the last pass, I'm gonna go ahead and put that ticket up now. And let me get it pulled up, cause I'm getting the voiceover for y'all. Y'all already see it on screen though. But the last pass was an 870. Got slower, cause I tried to really get to it a little more on the line then, man. I tried to go, I said I got a 830 something, so let me try to go a little more. And then it spun a little worse, and then I it hopped too. Hit like a little bump in the road, and it hopped or whatever. So that was the last pass. So y'all see, I revealed to y'all, brown coat, 8 seconds, low 8 seconds in the road. So you have to let your imagination wander. Let your mind wander. Let me go back out here. You gotta let your mind wander. Yeah, it's still sprinting slowed up. As far as what it running the track for now, I mean, I tell y'all, I'm gonna show y'all eventually, but it's a couple of people. It's a couple of people I want to play around with when I go to the track, cause they said they want to play around. I'm play around with them first, and then it'll be some motor runs. So I probably won't reveal what the truck run on motor, at least not for some time. But I will show y'all what it run on nitrous, whatever call. Like I said, I do it for different reasons now. If somebody want to race me, they better be all right with somebody gauging off of them. And then I know people gonna want to race that look at my videos. They look at when I go to the track or look at stuff like this so they can get my time. That's what I hate about racing. I understand, but I don't want people thinking I'm finna bet you and you gonna play me like, nah, I ain't see your video. Whole time they be done watch, man. I don't know why people can't be real. Like, I seen what it run. Me, I don't want no one-sided match. That's why I said people ain't got no heart in racing no more. They won't fool with people like that. People ain't got no heart. They want an easy victory. Like what you get out of your knowing your car way faster, and then you going out there and just killing somebody, blowing them out, versus wanting to challenge yourself, knowing the car like might be neck and neck. Like somebody know my time, and I know they run about the same thing, or maybe they're maybe a tenth faster. Man, let's race. They're gonna be a good race. It's gonna come down to a driver. That's the type of stuff I like. That's exciting. They're gonna come down to a driver. I mean, man, I don't know. I look at stuff different. But I know I go through it. People say, man, I ain't seen your video. And they call you out, they call probably faster, or it ain't, or it's out your class. It's a race car. Oh boy, some people want clout. They're just fact of the matter. Some people be clout chasing. Don't nobody like to be called a clout chaser, but in real life, some people clout chasers. Yeah, what it is. They want to race you just because you got a name. They're gonna be seen. You're gonna put them on video. They're clout chasing. People do it to my boy Don't Master all the time. It's just real. Or any of the guy named Boost Doctor. I mean, people clout chase. That shit real. So, you know, it just is what it is, man. But like I said, we got it in. Good little video. Before the rain came in, which is just drizzling. And I meant to switch these up, man. And put Dolo. I need to switch them up. I might uncover them and switch them up. Off camera, cause I need Dolo. Cause I'm about to have to put the radios back on. Cause I'm going to the track Sunday. I'm going to the track Sunday instead. So if you ain't got nothing to do, you want to see Big Dolo in action, on the bottom, I'm gonna be at Headhunters Dragway this Sunday. They changed the date from Saturday to Sunday cause it's gonna rain Saturday. But this Sunday, get down there early. You come in the evening, you probably ain't gonna see me run, cause I'm not running that car when it start getting real cold. I'm probably gonna be going home before it get dark. That's just how I roll. I come to have fun, do my videos, run when the track optimal, get my tickets. If somebody beside me, we play around then. They don't catch me before then. It is what it is. So come early, man. I think the track started at 12 p.m. Headhunters Dragway in Edenton, Georgia. If you gonna come through, let me know. Say get there early, cause I be there when the track go hot, and I do be one of the first people down the track. So if you want to see the pad, man, if you want to see it in person, or you can just look at it on video. But they're gonna be the first time I run that car with new transmission on the new kit, all of that. So you're gonna want to see it, and on the tram brake and stuff. I'm gonna make a nitrous hit, and I'm gonna make a motor hit too, cause I never made a motor hit on tram brake. It's gonna go faster. And I'm gonna make a motor hit, and I got straight axles now. So I'm gonna make a motor pass, and I'm gonna make a nitro pass. And I might take my rims too and switch and put the wheels back on and do 2 separate videos for y'all, cause they're gonna be the last time I got to run the car of the year, the last of the year. So I might do that too. So if you want to see the car run on radials and run on wheels, let me know. Now, am I gonna spray it on the wheels? No, I'm not gonna spray it on the wheel. It's too much. It ain't set up for all that. So I'll probably make 2 or 3 runs on the rims too, and get y'all that video. So y'all might get 2 videos shot in one day, this Sunday. But that's where I'm gonna be, man. They're gonna be the last time Big Dolo get took out this year. I would like to take John Jones out, but I know I couldn't turn it up and turn it loose down there like I want to. Not with the tires. I don't have slicks for that car. I got radials. Radials just ain't. They don't work the best. But y'all know, with Dolo, since I do run Dolo down there, I bought a pair of slicks. So I got slicks in. Well, these the radials. See, y'all know I bought them slicks from So I got slicks for Dolo. Look at all the tires I got, man. We got the slicks for Dolo. We got the radials. Front runners, then wifey old tires, John Jones radials down there, John Jones front runners, and we got the Cutlass and brown coat. These are the slicks I use on that, the 26-inch slicks. Rest on wifey tires. Oh, and my 9C1 wheels down there. Kyle looking like with them. Them wheels have not been on Dolo in a long time. Man, the only time I had them wheels on that car is when I first put the engine back in. But I have never did a burnout on them wheels, man. And I kind of don't want to, cause it's so violent on the 26s. I can imagine what it'll do to the 15, man. It'll get out of hand. It will get out of hand. So you know. And I got to get on the dyno still. I know what the car making though, but I got to put the car on the dyno for y'all. Show y'all what it make. And I'm have that video. I got that video coming too. I'm finally gonna show y'all what the old engine made on the dyno when it run out of fuel. So I'm gonna show y'all the horsepower. Then you can let your mind wander on what this one made. So you just put 2 and 2 together. So I got that video coming for y'all. I'm probably gonna drop it tomorrow. I got it edited, but I'm probably gonna drop it tomorrow. So y'all know that from way early in the year. But anyway, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.